Hello, friends. I'm Vitalina. I'm very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with us again.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake. I'm happy and a little nervous. Today's topic sounds big.
It sounds big, but don't worry. Today we will learn the past continuous.
Oh, past continuous. I always confuse it with past simple.
Yes, many people do. Before, we talked about present simple and present continuous. Now we move into the past, slowly, step by step. Friends, past continuous is a tense for an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Imagine a clock in the past. Yesterday at 5 o'clock. Last night at 10 o'clock. This morning at 7 o'clock. We ask, what was happening at that time?
So it is like a short video in the past.
Yes, like a short video clip. You pause the time and look. What was in progress? For example, I was eating at 7. I was reading at 10. They were playing at 4.
So the action is not finished, it is in the middle.
Exactly. It is still happening at that moment in the past. Now, let's look at the form. It is very important and also very simple. We use was, were, plus verb, plus ing. For each person, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were.
So, I was, he was, she was, it was, you were, we were, they were.
Yes, that's perfect.
And after was or were, we always put the verb with ing?
Yes, always verb plus ing in past continuous. That ing is very important. It is our signal.
Can I ask something? What exactly is this ing? Sometimes I don't really understand it.
That is a very good question. Let's explain it very slowly. Friends, ing is a special ending. We take a verb in its basic form and we add ing at the end. Read, reading. Play, playing. Cook, cooking. Sleep, sleeping. Run, running. We take read, play, cook, sleep, run, and then we add ing. When we add ing, you can imagine this is like a new word. In grammar, this is called a gerund. You don't need to remember this big word now.
So read and reading are like two versions of the same word.
Yes, read is the simple base. Reading is the ing form. The ing form is a signal. It tells us this is continuous tense. We use ing in present continuous. I am reading. We use the same ing in past continuous. I was reading.
So the ing is the same, only am is are changes to was were.
Exactly.
I like this idea. ing equals continuous signal.
Yes. When you see or hear ing with am, is, are, or was, were, your brain can say, aha, this is continuous tense. This is an action in progress. Now, the negative form. We add not to was or were, and we use the short forms. I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, they weren't.
So we do not say was not and were not in normal speaking. We say wasn't and weren't.
Yes, short forms are natural. You will hear them all the time.
And we still keep the ing after the verb.
Always. The ing never disappears in continuous tenses. Now, let's look at questions. We put was or were first, then the person, then the verb with ing. For example, was I reading? Were you reading? Was he reading? Was she reading? Were we reading? Were they reading? Friends, let's make a very small grammar box in words. Step 1, choose was or were. I, he, she, it, was. You, we, they, were. Step 2, add the base verb plus ing. I was eating. They were playing. She was sleeping. We were watching. Small comparison. Past simple, finished action. Past continuous, action happening at a moment. I watched TV, finished action. I was watching TV, action happening at a moment. I cooked dinner, finished. I was cooking dinner at 6, action happening at a moment.
So past simple is like a dot. Past continuous is like a long line.
Yes. Let's practice with the verb cook. Positive. I was cooking. You were cooking. He was cooking. She was cooking. It was cooking. We were cooking. They were cooking. Negative. I wasn't cooking. You weren't cooking. He wasn't cooking. She wasn't cooking. It wasn't cooking. We weren't cooking. They weren't cooking. Questions. Was I cooking? Were you cooking? Was he cooking? Was she cooking? Was it cooking? Were we cooking? Were they cooking?
Very clear. Let's do more examples. Positive, negative, questions, the verb to eat.
Okay. He was eating.
He was eating.
He wasn't eating.
He wasn't eating.
Was he eating?
Was he eating?
Verb 2, to sleep.
She was sleeping.
She was sleeping.
She wasn't sleeping.
She wasn't sleeping.
Was she sleeping?
Was she sleeping?
Verb 3, to run.
They were running.
They were running.
They weren't running.
They weren't running.
Were they running?
Were they running? Verb 4, to watch TV.
We were watching TV.
We were watching TV.
We weren't watching TV.
We weren't watching TV.
Were we watching TV?
Were we watching TV?
Verb 5, to study.
I was studying.
I was studying.
I wasn't studying.
I wasn't studying.
Was I studying?
Was I studying? Let's do mini past continuous conversation. Jake, what were you doing yesterday at 6?
I was eating dinner.
And at 7?
I was playing a game.
And at 10?
I wasn't sleeping. I was watching a film.
Nice.
And you, Vadalina, what were you doing at 6?
I was cooking dinner. At 7, I was eating dinner. At 8, I was cleaning the kitchen. At 9, I was relaxing.
A busy evening.
A little. Friends, let's repeat. Past continuous is was, were, plus verb, plus ing. It is for actions happening at a moment in the past. Negative, wasn't, weren't. Questions, was, were, plus subject, plus verb ing.
Past simple is a dot. Past continuous is a line.
Yes. Friends, now it is your turn. Please write 2 or 3 past continuous sentences in the comments.
For example, I was reading at 9. My friend was cooking at 5. They were playing at 4.
Thank you for learning with us today. You did very well.
Yes, thank you for your time.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Do You Know English. Your support helps us make more lessons.
Yes, subscribe, like, and comment. It helps a lot.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, every smart step helps your English grow.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.